Welcome back again to another tutorial on the Foxtecc channel. This time we talk about how to check Instagram video upload date. So in case you're browsing the content and you want to see when exactly a video has been published, so yeah, you cannot just easily just find it like that. You can like get it to, some information like 2 days ago or something specific or general, but you cannot really see exactly the date and the time when it was like uploaded. In this case, what you have to do is just to locate any kind of post in here, click on the three lines and click on copy link, which should be able to be found somewhere in here. For whatever reason, it may not show up right away. Well, anyways, you have to click on the share button in here and then just get to the copy link. So you're going to click on copy link. And what you have to do with this is just open up Safari and get to a new tab and paste the link right here. Now, we don't want to use the Instagram app for it as it just doesn't allow us to like access much information about it, right? But when you go in here, you should be able to find some more information about this very specific post. Now, obviously, in case you use a browser instead of an app, it's going to try very hard to get you to use the app, but we essentially want to just switch to the desktop version of that of the website. It's kind of hard to do. In case you want to be very specific with it, I would recommend you to just use a computer, as that would be much more like easier to do. As you can see, this doesn't really work out, but in case you would just bring it over to a computer, then I believe that you should be able to just find it easily. Or you can also just use a different web browser. Perhaps it's going to work differently on like another account, right? So yeah, I'm trying to like get to the desktop version, so you can see it's kind of harder to do, but this is generally the blueprint on how you can actually access it. But that's generally the information which I can provide you. It's kind of harder to do, obviously. So in case you have the ability, just move it over to a computer and just check it out there. It's going to be much more clearly visible. But hope you like this content. If you do, let me know down below what you think. Hit the thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.